What is up, YouTube? This is my first video on this trading channel. Just going to be running through some technical analysis and going into tomorrow's trading day and what I expect the market to do. I'm a futures trader and I'm trade the Nasdaq. Um, I've been trading for 6 months now and have gotten 6K in payouts, but I am still unprofitable. Uh, but this is my journey to being profitable. Um, right now, it's 2:32. I ended the day up 3K on my top step um, trading 100K combine. Um, right now, I mean, there's still some movement, right? But it should be dying out soon. Um, I took a Let's just review what I did yesterday during the Asian session because that's what I traded. And I'll be trading when that market opens. But um, during the Asian session, it was right here. Um, pretty sure, like around here somewhere. We seen a big sell-off. If I could go here, I'm just gonna go to the 1 minute time frame. Big sell-off here. I think this was, if I remember correctly, this was Trump saying uh, something about tariff on uh, subscriptions or something like that. It was some goofy thing that he said, and it just freaking tanked. But I took my trade somewhere. I think it's somewhere around here, uh, and then retargeting this liquidity right here. I think I entered around this level and just let it ride. I had to deal with some liquidity here actually, because if we go into the 5 minute, I remember taking a screenshot. Yeah, so I think TP was around here. We got a hit. Just going off of a break of structure to the downside, just a quick break of structure in a shorter time frame. So right, we made this draw on liquidity, then we went up here and failed to move up to the upside. And then I was looking for this recent floor, recent support to get broken. So it did get broken. Boom, went back up. That's fine because I had my stop loss somewhere around here. I had a very tight stop loss. And then we just, boom, same liquidity, boom, and then take profit was hit. But yeah, I'm locked out until Asian opens. I, obviously I didn't trade New York because I couldn't see it, or I couldn't trade because I was locked out. It looks like there are a lot of. Let me go to the 15 minute. My bad. Lots of chopping here. Then we drew liquidity here. Then we move to the upside. So, my technical analysis for going into the Tuesday's trading day is we seen that. So we have a SMT here, right? It's breaking. I drew this line here. We broke up to the upside. I don't know if I feel like we do hold and do push up, but we could also come back down. But my bias going into the next day is bullish. I know we had this liquidity grab here, and now trying to push up into the, let's see, 50s, seeing if we could get a break of these recent, like the recent highs, right? Or most, or not recent, but all-time highs there, right? Um, and then eventually, maybe coming back into the like 800s area and testing there. But this is tricky because this like 50s area is like very previously it's been very, like I think it's an important level. It's not gonna go down without a fight for sure. Um, so it might look if this closes like this is if this hourly closes like this, then I think we have a fair value gap here. So potentially coming back to the 570s, and then we get that run up, right? Let me see if I could pull out this tool here. Yeah. So maybe we come here and then we and then we just I don't know, we run up something like that and then try to target these. Um, well, I mean, it's not gonna be perfect like that, but something like that. Um, or if we don't come back down into this fair value gap, we see a break of we see a break of this high, and we get into a buy here, and then target, again these 800s. But this might be in the span of like I don't know if this will actually take a day, but like long term bias is obviously coming back up here, but maybe um for Tuesday, next trading day, we have you know some chop around this level before we get that break, and hopefully getting a nice discount here at this level. Yeah, just basic. I don't know, nothing crazy. uh yeah, I mean I've blown a lot of accounts, as you can see here, but we also have our 50K, and as many accounts as I've blown, I have passed a lot of accounts. um but hopefully having this account go into a live account is the goal. um so yeah, that's my pre-market analysis going into uh the Tuesday's trading day during the Asian market. um yeah, if you enjoy this video, let me know, subscribe, be posting lots of trading content hopefully, and yeah, peace out.